Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio Ahmedabad, where tradition meets innovation in hair restoration. In the heart of the heritage city of India, Gujaratis with global exposure and a passion for style have made us their trusted partner in reclaiming confidence and achieving their dream hair. Advanced Hair Studio Ahmedabad, we provide world-class hair restoration solutions, including our signature strand-by-strand ultimate and supernatural by advanced techniques. Our cutting-edge technology and internationally certified surgeons ensure safe, pain-free, and effective treatments tailored to your unique needs. With over 50 years of expertise and the trust of more than 1 million clients globally, we transform not just hair, but lives. Choose Advanced Hair Studio Ahmedabad for innovative, FDA-approved techniques, a team of highly skilled hair restoration specialists, amazing, long-lasting results designed just for you. Beware of unreliable clinics. At Advanced Hair Studio Ahmedabad, we prioritize your safety and satisfaction with solutions backed by science and global recognition. Take the first step toward transforming your hair and your confidence. Contact Advanced Hair Studio Ahmedabad today and discover how we can redefine your look and life.